Hi, I am Yasmin from India. I am housewife. I want to participate in MasterChef as I love to cook. One of my signature dishes is bread halwa. The recipe of bread halwa is bread is sliced, milk 1 liter, sugar of kg, ghee as required to fry, sugarless cover 250 grams. Toppings badam and cashew nut. Heat ghee in a pan and fry the bread. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Throw. Keep bread aside to cool it. Now boil the milk till it becomes thick, semi-liquid. Add cover to the milk and mix it. Next add sugar. Reduce the flame. Mix it until the till it. Reduce the flame and keep it for 5 minutes. Now off the flame. Add the fried bread to the milk. Leave it for 15 minutes to soak it. Then garnish with nuts and serve it.